Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today, we're taking a closer look at an iconic piece of American coinage, this coin 1925 wheat penny, officially known as this coin 1925 Lincoln cent. This is more than just a coin. It's a small slice of history from the early 20th century. The 1925 Lincoln wheat cent was part of a beloved series that began in 1909, introduced to commemorate the 100th birthday of President Abraham Lincoln. It was the first U.S. coin to feature a real person, breaking away from the classical designs of liberty and allegorical figures that had dominated earlier coinage. The obverse of the 1925 penny features a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by sculptor Victor David Brenner. His initials, VDB, were subtly placed at the bottom of Lincoln's shoulder on most later coins in the series after controversy surrounded their original placement in 1909. On the reverse, we see the traditional wheat ears design, which gives the wheat penny its popular nickname. Two stylized stalks of Durham wheat frame the inscriptions 1 cent and United States of America, symbolizing prosperity and agriculture, values deeply connected to American life at the time. Above the denomination is the Latin motto E pluribus unum, meaning out of many one, and on the obverse we also see In God We Trust and the word liberty, both staples of U.S. coinage during the era. The 1925 wheat penny was minted in 3 U.S. mints: Philadelphia, no mint mark, Denver D, and San Francisco S. Each of these variants has its own level of rarity and desirability among collectors, depending on the condition and strike quality. The Philadelphia Mint produced the highest number of these coins, with over 139 million struck. These are the most common among the 1925 issues, but well-preserved examples are still valued for their history and beauty. Denver followed with a mintage of just over 22.5 million, making the 1925 D-wheat penny significantly scarcer than the Philadelphia version. Coins from this mint tend to show weaker strikes due to worn dies, so finding a crisp example is a challenge. The rarest of the group is the 1925s, minted in San Francisco, with a mintage of approximately 26 million. However, because of quality control issues and poor striking techniques, very few high-grade examples survive today. In circulated condition. These coins are common and affordable, but when found in mint state condition, MS 60 or higher, their value can jump significantly. Collectors are always on the lookout for coins with sharp detail, minimal wear, and original red color. The 1925 Lincoln penny also reflects a turning point in American society. The Roaring '20s were well underway, with economic growth, jazz music, and the spread of automobiles. Every penny from this time has witnessed a world transforming rapidly into the modern age. Collectors particularly appreciate Lincoln cents from the 1920s, as fewer high-grade examples exist compared to later decades. Most people simply spent them into circulation without a second thought. Today, that wear tells a story. The metal composition of the 1925 wheat penny is 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, the standard alloy for U.S. cents from 1909 until World War II. Over time, the high copper content gives the coins a rich, warm patina that is highly sought after. Coin grading plays a critical role in determining the value of any wheat penny. A heavily worn 1925 coin might only be worth a few cents, while pristine, uncirculated coin can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In terms of value, the most exceptional known examples of the 1925 wheat penny can reach well into the six-figure range at auctions. One such pristine, mint-state red specimen sold for an astonishing $2 million to a private collector, making it one of the most valuable Lincoln cents ever sold. However, such prices are extremely rare and tied to coins with exceptional condition and provenance. Most collectors, however, are happy to add a solid XF, extremely fine, or EU, about uncirculated coin to their sets, which might range in value from $10 to $100, depending on mint mark and color, red, red-brown, or brown. These pennies are a wonderful starting point for those entering the world of numismatics. They're affordable in lower grades and have great historical appeal. For experienced collectors, chasing those high-grade or rare mint mark versions provides a true challenge. The Lincoln Wheat series ran from 1909 to 1958, making it one of the most collected series in American numismatics. Within that range, the 1925 coin stands out due to its age, its representation of post-World War I America, and the scarcity of top-condition examples. For those who inherit old coin collections from relatives, it's always worth checking for early-date wheat pennies like the 1925 issue. Sometimes these treasures lie forgotten in jars, awaiting rediscovery. Each time you hold this coin, 1925 United States wheat penny, coin history.